Hello everyone, welcome back to the FoneTool channel. Today I'll show you 2 ways to factory reset an iPhone without an Apple ID password. This will work for any iPhone model and any iOS version. So without further ado, let's get started.
For method number 1, we're going to factory reset our iPhone using Apple's official tool, iTunes. This is quick and easy. Download the application to your computer from the official Apple website, install it, and connect your phone to the computer via USB cable. iTunes will recognize the device and give you 2 options, restore or update. Choose the restore option and simply wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you can check your iPhone. The problem with this method is that it may leave your iPhone with activation lock. To remove this, you'll need to sign into the previous Apple ID account registered on the device.
For method number 2, we'll use the FoneTool Unlocker tool. This tool from FoneTool allows us to solve many lock problems on our iPhone, such as screen lock, activation lock, or Apple ID lock. It's a very good tool, and if you want to download it, you'll find the link in the first line of the description. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Keep in mind that it's a paid product and allows us to unlock various types of locks. It's compatible with all models, including the latest iPhone 17 and iOS 26. Once downloaded and installed, we'll have all the options this tool offers. In this case, we'll select the option to remove the Apple ID. Here, we'll connect our phone to the PC using a USB cable, and once it's detected, we'll click Start. In this process, we don't have to do anything other than wait for the tool to do all the work. So we can simply wait patiently for it to finish. If you see your iPhone restart, don't worry. Don't worry, it's normal. Just don't disconnect it. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will be like new. You'll need to do some basic setup, and you can also set up a new Apple ID for your phone. And just like that, you'll have factory reset your iPhone and set up a new Apple ID using FoneTool Unlocker.
And those are the 2 methods I'm bringing you today. I hope you liked them and found them useful. Remember, if you want to download the FoneTool Unlock software, just go to the description of this video and download it. That said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the FoneTool channel. See you next time. Bye.